Drifting Championship. Parking Lot Edition.
Oh my god.
And we have liftoff.
Austin Powers turn in a delivery truck? He is wedged in their type. Structural tape? I wouldn't trust that suspension over a speed bump.
Kasongo ye Mombari nanga.
It's a puzzle now.
Tizdeyi ben giyenlerine böyle tak taktılar, tamam. Bizde.
Elon Musk has been real quiet since this drop.
Carving tread into a bald tire? That is illegal and insanely dangerous.
Il s'appelle comment?
Ah, il s'appelle Noupi. Dis bonjour, Noupi. Je comprends rien, les cons.
C'est quoi comme race?
The forbidden sausage. Now that is how you pour a foundation. Hey, buddy, you forgot to disconnect the souvenir from the gas station. Wait, is that a squat toilet used as a shower head? That is nasty. Eating sparks for breakfast. Good thing he's got the face shield on.
Butter! Pala! Ano na?
That's one way to get a tan.
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guy?
Snap. I hope everyone was wearing a hard hat down there. Genius engineering or a total disaster? You decide. Leverage for the win. Using a plank to unstuck the truck is pretty clever. Hold on to your hats and your roofs. Mother Nature is tearing that place apart. No, that's what I call a shock to the system. Watch out. Tight squeeze? Nothing a customize. Hacked up wrench can't handle.
Keep your eyes on the pipe. Buddy.
Trip hazard detected. Down goes the captain. Me right route. That excavator slap looked personal.
Start off with 2 words. Made in America.
Just watching this, that did not break along the line. Frustration level 1000.
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guys?
Vai! Pode falar! Chama o padre lá. Pode chamar.
This sander is literally too hot to handle. Fire in the hole.
Comment je vais brancher cette autoradio? Je comprends pas trop le câblage.
The hose is winning the fight. He's just along for the ride now.
Quarta marcha, segunda, primeira.
Mixing water and electricity? What could possibly go wrong? Nothing a little paint can't hide, except a massive structural crack in the block. Just launched him into orbit, crashing a tub. That's one way to take a bath on the go. I think your excavator has a little cavity. Just a minor scratch. Watch your step. The attic is a dangerous place. Did an OT see that coming?
Tecnologia! 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 Tecnologia!